Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Nordstrom easy tutorial step by step clearly. To budget with Nordstrom, begin by assessing your total income for the month. Next, list all your necessary expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries. After that, determine a reasonable amount you can allocate for shopping at Nordstrom. Review your current wardrobe to identify gaps that need filling. Create a wish list of items you desire from Nordstrom. Prioritize your wishlist based on need versus want. Once your wishlist is prioritized, research the prices of the items online or in store. Set a target budget for each item on your wishlist. Factor in sales, promotions, or discounts available on Nordstrom's website. Decide if you want to shop during special sales events, such as the anniversary sale. If you have a Nordstrom credit card, check for any rewards or benefits that you can utilize. When ready to shop, stick strictly to your budget and avoid impulse purchases. Use Nordstrom's online tools to track your spending as you shop. If shopping online, consider using the Save for Later option for items that exceed your budget. After making your purchases, review your spending and adjust future budgets as needed. Finally, reflect on your shopping experience to improve your budgeting strategy for next time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.